Hey there, what's up? This is Paul Murphy. If you're looking to do affiliate marketing and you're a complete beginner, then we've developed this YouTube automation tool that's going to show you how to put all of your videos into a very simple system and make a lot of money. I'll show you how it works. So I generated $2.6 million last year. I got in all the affiliate leaderboards for these products and generated a lot of money, as you can see. Also, I came 7th on the leaderboard for ClickFunnels 2.0 in my leaderboard and generated $125,000 in 10 days. I got in the affiliate leaderboard for these products here. I actually became 7th on the leaderboard for Secrets of Success, won a private mastermind with Russell Brunson and got to connect with Sharon Lechter, who basically wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad with Robert Kiyosaki. And I got to present my system in front of some of the biggest marketers in the entire world. And it's all with this simple system. Now, let me show you how this works. So first of all, if we get 10 YouTube videos, what we're going to do is we're going to rank them on YouTube. We're not going to go and try and go viral because a lot of people are trying to do that and that's harder. What we want to do is place them at the top of the search engines and we want to solve problems for our customers, right? Now, we're looking to get 200 landing page views per day, right? So 200 people from our videos onto our landing page, right? And if we get a 30% opt-in rate, right, and we're only spending $25 per day, right, and we get a 3% purchase rate. So of all the people that come in here, only 2 out of those 60 purchase. We can generate a revenue of $1,994 per day. Right, now I'm going to show you this is an actual campaign we're running at the moment. And this is an actual simulator that we've got inside our Katra account. So we're generating 200 traffic per day. And this is not a real-time stat. This is a simulator of a thing we're running. So this varies. But we're spending in 100 paid ads. And we're spending, let me just show you that. We're spending 18 cents per click. Right? So we're spending no more than $25 for 100 clicks. So I've put that at 25 cents, right? So $750 per month. And then we're getting 100 organic because our videos are at the top of Google and YouTube. And that is generating us 200 daily visitors, 6,000 visitors per month, 60 daily leads, 1,800 monthly visitors, right? And then at the 3% click-through rate, purchase rate, we're getting 1,994. That's 59,820, right? And we're only spending $750. So that gets us a 7,876% ROI. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, we go to our go-to keyword tool, which is vidIQ. Now, vidIQ basically will tell you how many people are searching for the problems, for the reasons, and for the products that you have on YouTube. They give you the volumes per month and they tell you the competition for that keyword if you're running advertising to it. This competition is not really relevant for ranking, it's more for ads. So anyway, this is basically the volumes for some things that I just searched for. So if we created 10 videos, let me just go back. If we created 10 videos around this one keyword here, which is YouTube automation, you can see it's relatively easy. It's a medium competition. But with the system that we're going to use, we're going to get some organic traffic and we're going to use paid. So we've got 2 million searches per month. So we're going to run some ads to that. Okay, so we'll just run 100 per day. We can scale this quite fast, right? And we can also get some organic traffic because as we run traffic into the system I'm going to show you, it's going to push all the videos to the top and we'll get organic traffic. Eventually what we'll be able to do is switch off these paid ads, right? And this will all be running for us for free, which is really, really cool, right? So we do some keyword research, we build some videos around this. So we're going to put them into this magic traffic funnel. Now, what we do is we put the 10 videos that we just created based on these keywords into this funnel, right? And we offer this as a free course. And we even give them a login with a free course with all these videos in it. And then what happens is that people go through because we're helping them, we're serving them, and these get pushed up the search engines. And as they get pushed up the search engines, we then start to get all this organic traffic coming in, right? But what we're also going to do is we're going to run paid ads to these videos for the keywords that these are trying to rank for, right? So we get a combination of the two. And again, we only spend about 25 cents maximum per click on that, right? And that's what we do. And we basically put them in here. And then this funnel basically just takes care of everything. It builds Know, Like, and Trust. It builds your email list. And not only that, it sells your products and services on autopilot. And then eventually it will do it without any of these ads. because this simulator, with these videos, are all going to be pushed to the top of the search engines, running you this type of money. Now, if you want to get this system, I have put together my free 24-hour ranking system course. Now, when you come inside of here, you will basically claim your first listing. You can do that in a couple of hours, right? We've got a full day, but it's literally create a video, put it up on YouTube, and you'll see it in 24 hours rank. I'll give you my $12,000 bonuses, which you can only get inside of here. You can actually give this away to anybody, which converts your offers on the front end, which makes you more money in this funnel, right? So if you've got a good bonus, this will push up, right? So I'm going to give you that as well for free. Like, there's no upsell or anything inside of here. This is all free. And then you choose your magic evergreen traffic system if, say, you want to do it for affiliates, or maybe you want to create a membership site if you're a coach or consultant. If you're doing physical products or local business, you choose the one, and then I give you the full strategy, and then you go and build it. Now, you're probably thinking, why am I giving all this away for free? What's going on here? Well, I want you to start getting results, and then a very small percentage, as you can see from this simulator, 3% of you will want to work with me, right? Because I know the numbers, right? Obviously, I help, I serve, and 97% of you never need to give me a single penny. You can just come in here and I'll just keep serving you, and I'll keep giving you stuff, and I won't be selling to you like crazy or anything like that, like everyone else. I'll just serve you. And then what you can do is, if you're in that 3% where you want us to help you and give you all the systems and everything, then you can work with us. You can just click on here, fast track your results, and come and work with us. So that is my ethical bribe. And there is, like I say, nothing to sell. You don't get any upsells. We just carry on serving you, and you can grab that, put that to work, and then you'll get this. You'll be able to create this simulator yourself, and this basically is getting you crazy ROIs. You cannot get this anywhere else in the industry. Now, in this next video, I've got something really cool to show you, so go check that out.